What's up guys, welcome back to my car. Today's video has been highly requested since my last video, like 2 videos ago, I talked about whether your acceptance rate matters on the orders that you're getting and if you're in a certain algorithm. It was 50-50 in my comment section though. Half of y'all said no, there's no algorithm you're put in, but the other half was like yes. If you have a low acceptance rate and you're cherry picking, you are in a different algorithm and you're going to be getting the low orders. So today I am going to be accepting every order. I know that's like dreaded when it comes to these apps because there's a lot of no tip orders and I don't take those, but today I am. And the reason why I'm so excited to do this is because I got this message 2 days ago, and it says I get $200 for doing 20 deliveries. Today is Monday. I have until Thursday to finish this. I'm just gonna get it all done today. I mean, I hope I could bust out 20 deliveries before the sun goes down today. It is 11 o'clock. I had to schedule because it's so saturated in my area, and it was also like last minute. Normally I just like dash now or whenever I can. So it's 11 o'clock. I have until 5. That's when my dash is. Hopefully we can bust it out between then because it starts getting dark here. You know, I'm excited if you can't tell. So I will briefly show you my orders just so this video isn't too long. And you know, the whole pick up drop off, and at the end I will go over my earnings, how long it took me to deliver the 20 orders, and how much I actually made on just the 20 orders and the whole breakdown. So give this video a thumbs up if you're excited as I am. Make sure you're subscribed and let's go make some money. 11 o'clock, scheduled 11 to 5. We're in Brandon. It's not showing it's busy right now, but I am scheduled, and here is the magical $200. It'd be nice. Oh no. Okay, my first order is coming through. Okay, it's $16. Oh my god, I messed up. It is 10.4 miles for $16. It's 20 items at Chick-fil-A. Alright, let me screenshot this and then we're gonna go do it. While I drive over to Chick-fil-A, which is literally in the plaza right there, let me know if y'all got any of these bonuses, challenges. I never get any. On Uber Eats, DoorDash, I never get any type of bonus. That's why I jumped on this one quick. Okay, so I waited maybe 3 minutes for the order. The pickup time was 11:06. But it says drop off by 11:50, so I thought like that was weird. I'm nervous about this drive. 2 drinks are right there, and then this is completely full. I brought my bag inside, but it's completely full, so glad I brought it inside. Okay, it says hand it to me, ask for blank at the front office, so it is a building, which is what I figured. We're gonna get some directions, and it is 22 minutes away, 9.9 miles, and right there you see it says delivered by 11:50. I should get there by 11:36. 22 minutes, so let's go deliver this. Alright, it was delivered to a middle school. I had to like push the buzzer and wait till all the kids, they were switching classes. I had to wait like a solid 10 minutes at the gate for them to switch classes. I took it straight to the office. Complete order. We're going to see together how much this was. I'll put a smiley face, whatever. Confirm. It came out to be $19 instead of the $16 that I was offered. So the tip was $14.50. Not too bad. I am parked in a handicap because it was the only parking spot. I had to do it.
I have Nady ready. And then Jessica's just going to be 1 more minute, okay? Just waiting on the wait list.
Alright, I got both orders. It's saying the first one is 5 minutes away, 1.4 miles. Oh, they left me a Spanish note. What? I can't read that. Hand it to me.
1. Revisar el Recibo ya Escarreras car La Porta door Principal de la Casa. Gracias.
Should I find someone Spanish and ask them? We're gonna wing it. $2.25 for that order. There was no tip on it. Si habla español poquito. No, I didn't understand what it said. I knocked on the door. As you've seen, she came out the back, the side of the house. So apparently, that's what it said. Something about, there was a picture of a door. So I mean, I'm sure y'all are telling me down below exactly what it says, but it's delivered. That's all that matters. All right, the last one was a leave at door out of business. He just said text me upon arrival. All right, I thought it was recording. I accepted another Panda Express order, which is where I'm turning in right now. I just got the order conveniently. It was $4.25 for 2-point-something miles. Thought I was filming. So I'm right here. I'm gonna go park and get the order. All right, the order was not ready, so I took the time to use the bathroom, and then I walked back up there, and is that flat? Okay. There's like 3 little boxes in there. They're not sitting flat. And the order was still not there. She asked me the name, and then she walked to the back, like the drive-through area, and got the order. And I'm like, why wasn't it already sitting here? Like, why is it back there? I don't know. Cover the address. Proof that it is a $4.25 order. And let's see how far it is. 6 minutes, 1.8.
Head north toward East Brandon Boulevard.
1.8 miles, so not too bad. Oh, hi.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too, enjoy. Oh my god, she scared me. Alright, I didn't wait at all. The hostess went and got the order. It took like 2 seconds. It says, hand it to me, go through the glass, double doors, and tell them that you have a delivery for room number blank. There is a doorbell at the front left. It is 12 minutes away and 4.4 miles. So let's go bust this one out as well. I can't get in. All of these places it's telling me to turn is like a locked gate. Oh, she's walking over here. Now she's opening the gates. Maybe they didn't realize the gates were locked, but complete delivery. All right, a new order is coming through. Pulling over to look at it. Brandon Vegan Deli, never heard of that. $8.75 for 5 miles. So this is a normal order that I would accept anyways. So it's 2 items. Let's go figure out where this place is. Got the vegan goodies. It just says leave at door. It is 10 minutes away, 4.6 miles.
I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing.
At this rate, it's going to take me forever. I'm getting a $4.50 order for 55 miles. The Chick-fil-A is literally right here past the light I'm at, so we're gonna do it. I got the food. The notes are leave at door, and she said do not ring bell, I will know you're here. It's 11 minutes, 4.8 miles away.
Until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing
All right, I've been sitting for a while. I'm getting a $6.50 order for 2.3 miles. It's for 2 items at Chili's, so let's head there. Got the goods. Oh, that smells good. She says to leave it at her door, and she gave me the gate code. It's 6 minutes, 1.9 miles away.
Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what.
It's been a little bit longer. I've been waiting, but $6.50. Pretty okay order for 4.4 miles, so we're gonna bust this one out as well. All right, I got both orders. I hope I don't have to come back here again because they are out of biscuits, macaroni and cheese, medium cups, what else, napkins. They're out of a lot of things, but I got an add-on order. I didn't tell y'all that. I got an add-on order when I was in there. I'll put it up on the screen. I don't know, it's just another order. I had to take it anyway, so. I did have to message one of them that they're out of biscuits, and she's like, okay. So I guess, she's like, she didn't want a replacement or anything, which is great. So she is first. 12 minutes,
Head west.
exactly 4 miles.
We could be like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
All right, I'm parked now waiting for my 11th order. So we did 10 orders so far. It's 4:19 and I made 2. Okay, another order is coming in. 2.6 miles for $6.50. I don't know where this place is. We'll find out. All right, I got the order. This guy says in capital letters, do not ring or knock on the door. It's 8 minutes, 2.5 miles away from here. So the only order I will not be doing is this alcohol order, not because it's only $4, but because it's a alcohol order, and this girl does not do alcohol orders. I got the order. It says hand it to me. It is the west entrance. If you see a mailbox on the first floor, you're at the east entrance. So hopefully it takes me the right way. It's exactly 2 miles and it will take me 8 minutes to get there. What's up, guys? It is like 6 days later. I had full attention, to get all 20 orders complete. My battery died the last order you just seen me drop off. It's a solid week later. I had a procedure, oral surgery done the next day, and I actually thought I would be peachy the following day and I could bust these out because I had like 3 more days to get it done. I was wrong. Even now, it hurts to talk. But it's been so long and I have to finish this video. So I feel so dumb. And some of you probably noticed at the beginning of this video when I showed like the bonus. Some of you were probably yelling at your screen at me. But if you didn't notice, the wording on the DoorDash bonus said $200 for 20 orders. What I thought was I would get an extra $200 bonus for completing those 20 orders for them. Boy, was I wrong. I was thinking by the time I hit $200, I would be on like my 20th order. And then I was like, how did they word that? They did not say an extra bonus. They just said $200. So I Googled it and it's more like a earnings guarantee. So let's say I made $199. They'll give me the extra $1 because they want to guarantee that I make $200 on 20 orders. So what I did make on the 12 orders that I did was $81 in 6 hours. 6 hours. 6 of them. So 6 hours of accepting, it hurts, my S's hurt. 6 hours of accepting low orders. I started off with really good orders. I was excited about the $19 order, but then it started lowering and lowering. This is why I don't take orders that are that low. This is why I heavily cherry pick. I drove 108 miles in those orders, and there was a spot in between the lunch and the dinner that I think I talked about where I didn't get a order for a solid 40 minutes. So I normally don't drive during that time, but I was just, you know, I was accepting everything. I wanted to get these orders done. I wanted to keep going. So that's what I did. And I just mainly wanted to make this video to show you guys, it doesn't matter your acceptance rate. My acceptance rate went up doing those orders, but then my last order was the $3 bakery order, no tip. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me accept every single order. I had fun delivering. I normally have fun because once you get in the flow, you see the dollars coming in, it gets addicting. But I didn't make much money, you know. So a lot of that went back into my gas tank. So I hope you enjoyed, and give this video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed. I will catch you guys in my next video where I'm heavily cherry picking. Bye.